The 5 work-at-home jobs for moms are: 1. Virtual assistant. If you are looking for an office job that doesn't require you to go into an office, becoming a virtual assistant could be a great fit. Tasks will vary depending on the company but can include things like scheduling appointments, data entry, organizing records, email management, social media management and editing. 2. Social media consultant. Social media has become a vital component of advertising and PR for companies in many different industries. If you are a savvy social media user, you can use your skills to manage social media accounts for a business and get paid for it. 3. Tutor. Moms are fairly gifted in helping their own children learn new concepts and ideas, and this skill is easily transferable to being an online tutor. The higher level of education you have in a certain subject, the more money you can make. 4. Blogger. Blogging is the perfect job for moms because of the flexibility, lack of deadlines and freedom of content. Many moms use their mothering knowledge and experiences as a basis for their blog content. 5. Homemade crafts. If you are crafty and can create products that people would be interested in buying, this can be a very lucrative work-from-home opportunity. You can sell your products to online platforms such as Etsy. So these are the 5 work-at-home jobs for moms. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.